All right, Doozer shop here. Haven't done this really in a while, but I want to try shoot an unboxing video. I bought a vise off eBay. It's a grinding vise, and it's kind of unique. It's a dovetail vise. Let's just get right into it, and I'll show you what I bought. I've actually had this thing for I don't know, a week and a half. I haven't even opened it, but I'll bring it to you guys here and show you what it is and why I like it. All right. In case you didn't know, I'm on the bandsaw. Pretty hefty weight. My bandsaw should not be a table. The old do-all bandsaw-saurus there. I like to keep the boxes and reuse them, so I try not to tear them up too much. Well, this one's glued. Well, we'll see. Now, it's not looking good for the box. Yeah, whatever. Man, it's like Christmas morning. Can't save the box because it's glued. Either way, I'll cut the flaps off and use it for something. Yeah. Alright. Good. Alright, you got some paper, which is better than those packing peanuts, I swear to goodness. Ooh, there's even a chunk of wood in here. Did you guys see that? You got paper, and he's got a chunk of wood. So, kind of neat. I'm not sure how... Huh. This guy's great. I love this dude. There's the vise on the you see that? 2 Allen bolts on bottom, right? He wrote that on the piece of wood. This guy is a pro. eBay seller. Man, that's awesome. Ooh, it's even glued down. Man, this vise is glued down to the bottom. What a great guy. Can you see that? I'm gonna cut this sucker. Right? You see what I'm doing? Yeah. I'm telling you. I did not know that this was going to be such a good unboxing video. Look at that. See? If the box is like bonded or glued to the wood. And I swear to goodness, guys, I didn't know. Oh, it's hot glue. Man. Are you guys catching this? This is awesome. Clean up the floor. Look at that. The guy is a pro. Can you see this? The guy's got stainless steel Allen head bolts, right? Man, this is the best, and it's oak. It is like red oak. 2 Allen bolts on bottom. I mean, what a pro. You know, this is a great unboxing video. I am surprised. let me get an Allen bolt, Allen wrench. I am thrilled with this. This is great. So I got my Allen wrench. It looks like about a 5/16. Yep. Turn that around. Wow. I'm really glad I shot this on video. All right. Remove the bottom one. Stainless. Okay, 3/8, 16. You guys see that? All right. They're even counterboard. They are counterboard. This guy John. Actually, if he wrote on here somewhere. I destroyed it, but it said, "Thank you, courtesy of John." Okay. Stainless steel Allen head bolt. And that's definitely red oak. Hardwood, not even a junky piece of pine. All right. What a beautiful vise. Man, this is really cool. I do believe I can take you handheld and show you the vise a little better. But man, I'm just super stoked. I know that's a California word, right? Stoked. Man, I am stoked. All right. Nope. Give you a zoomatoid. All right. There's your bolts. No, screws actually. Now this is got a dovetail, right? It's got a dovetail, and I mean, this thing is on the Dualosaurus here. Let me put your stage lighting. I got dual lamps on my dual bandsaw to see both sides of the work blade there. Anyways, this is not a lockdown vise per se, like typical grinding vise fashion, but it's got an enclosed screw. So this, I guess, is the nut. Or no, the nut's in. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so somehow. So I know it's going to be quite stiff, right? There's like, you know, this is fit so precisionally. It's got some schmoo on it, but I mean, it's not like it's just grease. You know, that's fine. No drill marks. I think, if you can see, those are actually replaceable jaws. You can see the separation of the two metals there. So that's a replaceable jaw. And this looks to be as well. And okay. Allen screws holding that jaw on. And this one, does it have? Yeah, Allen screws. Okay. So that's neat. And these are the backs of bolts that hold the dovetail on, right? Yeah. Oh, wow. There's like 8 screws that hold the dovetail on. I don't know if this was made in a shop. I don't think so. I think it's got black oxided. I've seen vices like this before. I used to work someplace that had a vise similar to this with the dovetail. That's why I snatched this up on eBay. I don't remember what I paid for it. I think it was $50 and then $10 shipping. this dude spent more than $10 in the packing of that thing with the wood base. Anyhow, I am going to clean this in my parts washer, and if there's any schmoo in there, I may or may not take the dovetail off, but let's walk it over to the parts washer. And I'm not going to show that, I don't think. Just the Doozer's parts washer slash where he hangs his oil cans and stuff, right? So, all right. So I'll yeah. And we'll get it all moving here. This is mineral spirits, folks. Paint thinner, Varsol, people call it. Oh, now it's moving just much easier. See? And one of the things I do with my grinding vices, after I use them, you know, over on the surface grinder, and they're all full of grit and nastiness, I'll wash them, you know, in the parts tank. I'll clean all the grit off them. And same with chucks, if I use chucks on the cylindrical grinder, like the Mighty Brown & Sharp 13. I've got my grinding chucks and vices stored under there, and some of those, as you can see, are screw vices. So they get gritty, and I just, you know, I'll bring them over into the parts washer, and I will clean them. But anyhow, this thing is moving way better, much nicer. And I'll probably do this off camera and, you know, clean it. So that's kind of neat. Hope you enjoyed this this video of unboxing my my new Vise eBay purchase. And I think this thing will be a jam up accessory to my capabilities here in the shop. And I might get after that little piece of rust there with some Scotch-Brite or steel wool. Actually, steel wool scratches less than Scotch-Brite. But anyways, so yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed checking out my new Vise here as much as I did. And until next time, this is Doozer's Shop.